Before we begin, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for my latest videos. And here we are. This is GTS Cubestacking.
Yo.
Here is Ryan's song.
Yeah. This comp, I'm gonna do 6x6, and then I'm gonna have every single WC event done. I have the 4x5. I have 4 and 5 lined already. I just need 6x6.
I know there's like a
bunch of
Okay.
Alright, say hi, Brendyn.
What's up, guys?
Yo.
Coming to you from
And
Irvine
then
Summer.
in the GTS Cubestacking, I'm a cup stacker. Yeah, that's it.
JFCUBING. Say hi.
Yo, what's up?
This is NateCubed. Say hi.
Hello.
So my first event is 6x6. I'm going to be using the MGC. And I really hope to get a sub 2 single with a sub 215 mean of 3.
8 seconds.
Bad. Alright, for 6x6, it did not live up to my expectations. I did not do very well. My best time was a 209, and for mean of 3, a 215. It's not really good, but I did beat my personal records. So my next event is 3x3. I'll be using the GAN 11M Duo, and I'm hoping for a sub 8 single with a sub 9 average. What? 3x3 was terrible. I got a 9.74 single with a 10-second average. Did not live up to my expectations. However, I got into round 2, so let's hope I do better in that round. Alright, so for 4x4, I'll be using the ALSU GTS M. And my goals are to get sub 30 single with a sub PR average.
Double parity.
Yeah, I was like, I didn't realize that. Timer stop.
Not like yesterday. That's too much.
So I did 3x3 second round, and I did make it to the finals with a 9.87 average with a 9.11 single. And I also did 4x4 finals. I got a 38 second average with a 35 second single. Now I need to do 5x5. For 5x5, I'm going to be using the MTC, backup Yuchuang V2M, hoping for a sub 1 single with a sub PR average.
Stop being so good at big huge keys. 8.
For 5x5 finals, I did really bad. No sub 1 single. I did not meet any of my goals for 5x5. And my final event is 3x3 finals. Let's hope I meet my 3x3 goals this time.
Seconds. Okay. 8 seconds.
Ooh, nice.
8 seconds. Seconds.
I did not meet any of my goals. Yeah, this comp was pretty bad results wise, but I did have a lot of fun. I got an 8.09 single, which is my new PR, with a 10.4 average, which is bad. So I'm done with all my events for the day and for this comp.